The squash is coming up to the end of its life. There are a couple big ones. Here's one. Not quite turned yet. Here's another big one. Here's another big one. A couple others here and there. But I don't know. We'll see. The peppers, I cut a few out. They're ready to go. Just a few more. This one, the Job of the Hut, did really well all season. Lychee tomatoes are terrible. I hate them. Kale's looking pretty sad. The tomato wall is coming up to the end of its life, but I still got tomatoes I gotta harvest. I better get on that. Flowers are coming to the end. Still some here and there. Still pretty, but ending. Got some lettuce. Marigolds, kale, beans that I hate. The berry patch is looking awesome. And I planted another berry, a pink lemonade blueberry. So everything's looking really good around here. And then let's see. Not many other places. I'm gonna rip out all of this raspberry bed, and this is gonna be a really beautiful project. Grape coming to the end of its life, and lots of zinnias. I feel like it's time to let them go. Anyway, there is the garden. I wish you all a beautiful rainy day.